Your journey with BMW will be filled with countless exciting roads. However, there's always the chance of encountering a bump along the way. As the main point of contact between your vehicle and the road, your BMW's wheels are susceptible to damage caused by common road hazards. Fortunately, our tire and rim protection offers the ultimate coverage to protect you and your vehicle. BMW Tire and Rim Protection covers the cost of tire and rim repair or replacement in the event of damage caused by unforeseen road hazards. This coverage also includes BMW winter and summer wheel packages, as well as replacement tires and rims beyond your original set. Best of all, repairs are completed by BMW certified technicians using only BMW-approved parts, so you can drive assured knowing your BMW will look and perform the way it was meant to for years to come. Get ahead of the unexpected. Ask your authorized BMW retailer about tire and rim protection today, and enjoy peace of mind on all life's roads.